Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to fix Roblox client crashing without error. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. To avoid crashes in Roblox, check in-game graphical settings and insert your sign-in. Access the menu by clicking the Roblox icon in the top left corner. Adjust the graphics to automatic by going to Settings, then Graphics tab. Restart the game to ensure Roblox crashes are resolved. Update your graphics drivers. If using NVIDIA, using the GeForce Experience Programs Drivers tab. Download the latest graphics driver. Restart your computer and launch Roblox again. Be aware of background app interference, as it may cause crashes. Close unnecessary background apps. Free up Roblox's resources. And avoid crashes by choosing out internet browsers. If none work, reinstall Roblox by uninstalling it from Control Panel or Settings, then Apps or Programs. Log in, play any experience. Download the same files. Then Roblox is finally installed. Utilize Microsoft Store version of Roblox if necessary when the web version doesn't work. Follow instructions for trouble-free gameplay. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.